We started with stick, then we moved to MIG, which is most common. It's basically point and shoot. We're starting to get into flux core, which is a version of MIG. And then we haven't done TIG yet, that's later senior year. In the class, it's basically you have changing this variable while you're welding does this, this when you're welding translates to this happening, stuff like that. We need to know what gases do what electrodes, how they're classified. In the lab, there is independence there. You basically, if something isn't working, figure it out. Martinez will help you, but if you're able to just run with it, he'll just let you run. It's less about like making specific things and more just drilling practice, because 98% of welding is just muscle memory. It's the muscle memory to move steadily, to move consistently, and to know what exactly you're doing. We do make things in the lab, but the main focus is training for muscle memory pretty much. There's plenty of ventilation, the machines are top of the line. It's great. A lot of these machines actually we won't find out in normal job sites because they're that top of the line. Most jobs don't have them.